Good morning, children. Myself, Rajesh Dikruz. I welcome you to the e-learning classes provided by St. Michael's Academy, Betia. Okay, children. So we are having Standard 8 Civics, Chapter 5. The lesson we are talking about the judiciary. And already we have completed the lesson. So today we will have exercise. So let us begin the exercise. Exercise A. Answer the questions by choosing the most appropriate alternative from those given below. First, the oldest high court in India is situated in dash. Option A, Chennai. B, Hyderabad. C, Delhi. D, Kolkata. Answer option D, Kolkata. Second, the High Court that is common for all the 7 states of the Northeast is located in dash. A, Aizawl. B, Imphal. C, Guwahati. D, Shillong. Answer option C, Guwahati. Third, which of the following is a subordinate court? Answer option A, District Court. B, Court of Sub-Judges. C, Municipal Court. D, all of these. Answer option D, all of these. 4. Civil cases at the lower levels are dealt with the dash. A, Session Judge. B, Magistrate. C, District Judge. D, Munsif. Answer option D, Munsif. 5. The highest civil court in a district is the court of the dash. Option A, District Judge. B, Subordinate Judge. C, Session Judge. D, Munsif. Answer option A, District Judge. Match the following. First, Apex Court. Answer option D, Supreme Court. Second, right to display and hoist national flag. Answer option E, Naveen Jindal. Third, property, marriage, land, inheritance. Answer option A, civil cases. 4. Fast track courts which give speedy justice. Answer option B, Lok Adalats. 5. Murder, loots, kidnapping. Answer option C, criminal cases. Exercise C. Answer the questions in about 50 to 70 words. First, present a brief outline of the Indian judiciary and explain why the Supreme Court is called the Apex Court. Answer. India has an integrated and unified judiciary. There are subordinate courts at the state level, High Court at the state level, and Supreme Court at the central level. The judiciary is free from interference of the government. Supreme Court. Supreme Court is called the Apex Court because this is where appeals are filed. The judgment given by the lower court may not satisfy some people. They can appeal to the Supreme Court to review the decisions made by the lower court. 2. The judiciary in India has several functions. Name some. Answer. The judiciary in India has several functions, which are: first, original jurisdiction. Second, appellate jurisdiction. Third, Adversary jurisdiction. 4. Guardian of the Constitution. And 5. Guardian of the fundamental rights. Third, what is the original jurisdiction of the Supreme Court? Answer. There are certain legal cases which are filed only in the Supreme Court. This is called original jurisdiction. These are dispute involving the center and state. Second, disputes between two states. Third, cases under the public interest litigation. 4. Cases pertaining to the election of the president and the vice president. Question 4. Name two kinds of subordinate courts in the district. What are their functions? Answer. The two kinds of subordinate courts in the districts are the court of the district judge and the session judge. The court of the district judge. This court looks after the civil cases. It hears appeals filed against decisions of the lower court. The session judge. This court looks after the criminal cases. Cases of murder, physical judiciary, and dacoits are heard here. 5. What is a Lok Adalat? Answer. Lok Adalat is a formal Indian judiciary alternative disputes resolution form that settled cases pending from the fundings of a panchayat and serves as the pre-litigation stage in a court of law. Lok Adalat is a traditional Indian method to relieve the overburdened court system by providing relatively quick arbitration. Okay children, so these are the question answer of this lesson. Please write the question answer with the objectives and submit the copy for correction. We will meet again in the next video. If you like my videos, please subscribe it, like it and share it. Thank you. Bye bye.